everyone, today I'll show you guys how you can create a list on Amazon shopping application. Welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. And after doing that, here you have to now tap on your profile right here in order to create a list. So if you tap on your profile here, you can get these kind of options from where you can see your list option right here. So you can simply just tap on create a list in order to create one. So after doing that, here you can get the option of plus right here. If you tap on this plus icon, you will be able to name the list. So if you tap on it, you can simply just name whatever you want to this list. So after naming your list, you can simply just tap on create list. And then here you can see we have now successfully created ourselves a list. So if you want to invite anyone, you can tap on this invite option like this. And if you want them to just view, you can tap on view only. But if you want them to edit too, you can tap on view and edit. And simply type down the profile name right here and simply tap on create profile. And like that, you will be able to invite someone to your list. So if you tap on this add item option right here, then you can simply just type down the item that you want to add. Here you can see I'm going to type down iPhone 17. And after doing that here, if you simply cross this option right here, you can see we have added down the item right here. If you tap on it one more time, just like this, here you'll get the items right here. So if you want to add down this particular item, you can simply just tap to add to list, just like this. And here you can see we have now successfully added this item to our shopping list. And just like this, you can again tap on add item and add another items to your list. So in case you want to delete this particular item, you can also tap on this three-dot bar that you can see right here. And if you do that, you can tap on delete just like that. And here you can see we have successfully deleted this item from our list. If you want to undo it, you can again tap on undo and restore this item. But if you want to delete the whole list, you can again tap on this three-dot bar that you can see right here. And then from here, you can tap on delete list. If you do that, again, tap on yes for the confirmation. Here you can see we have successfully deleted our list from previous. And like that, you can add or delete list in Amazon shopping application. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.